English speaking course.
Amharic.
Excuse me, are you English? No. I'm American. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. What do you do? I'm a student. How old are you? I'm 26 years old. Are you married? No, I'm not married. How long have you been here? About 2 years. How many children do you have? I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. How are you? I'm fine, and you? Would you like to have coffee? No, thanks. I like tea. How about a cup of tea? It sounds good. What are you planning to do today? I'm not sure. Would you like a drink? Sure, let's go. Are you ready? Yes. I'm ready. Do you need a few minutes? I think we're ready. Anything else? Nothing else. Who would you like to speak to? I'd like to speak to Mr. Smith, please. When will he be back? He'll be back in 20 minutes. What time does it start? It starts at 8 o'clock. What will the weather be like tomorrow? It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Are you afraid? No. I'm not afraid. Are you hungry? Yes. I'm hungry. Are you sick? Yes. I'm sick. Are you sure? No. I'm not sure. Can you swim? Yes. I can swim. Do you have a girlfriend? No. I don't have a girlfriend. Do you have any vacancies? Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Do you take credit card? Sorry, we only accept cash. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. How far is it? About 20 kilometers. How does it taste? It's delicious. What is your job? I'm self-employed. How much money do you have? I don't have any money. What's today's date? October 22nd.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.